Travel enthusiasts, get ready to upgrade every journey. Amazon is packed with 20 cool travel gadgets designed to make your adventures smoother, smarter, and way more fun. From compact luggage organizers and portable chargers to clever accessories that keep you comfortable, secure, and entertained on the go, these gadgets turn ordinary trips into unforgettable experiences. Whether you're a frequent flyer, road tripper, or adventure seeker, stick around. You'll discover must-have travel tools that simplify packing, enhance convenience, and make every journey more enjoyable and hassle-free. Number 1. AIRGLO Flexible Stand. Traveling often means working, watching movies, or reading on the go, and the AIRGLO Flexible Stand makes it simple. Its adjustable, lightweight design holds smartphones, tablets, or e-readers securely at the perfect angle for hands-free use. The flexible arms bend and twist to set up anywhere: plane trays, hotel desks, or park benches. Compact and durable, this stand keeps your devices stable and makes any travel moment comfortable and organized. Number 2. TORRAS Handheld Fan. Hot airports, long layovers, or summer sightseeing can be exhausting, but the TORRAS handheld fan keeps you cool. USB rechargeable with multiple speeds, it delivers adjustable airflow exactly where you need it. Lightweight and portable, it fits easily in backpacks, purses, or pockets. Whisper quiet and long-lasting, it's perfect for planes, trains, or buses. Whether exploring city streets or waiting in line, this handy fan keeps you refreshed and comfortable wherever your travels take you. Number 3. Allclair Nausea Inhaler. Motion sickness can ruin any trip, but the Allclair Nausea Inhaler provides quick relief. Infused with natural scents, it calms queasy stomachs during flights, car rides, or boat trips. Simply inhale for almost instant relief and stay comfortable on the move. Its compact size fits easily in purses, backpacks, or pockets. Safe, non-messy, and easy to use, this inhaler is perfect for frequent flyers, road trippers, and anyone who struggles with motion sickness while traveling. Number 4. POLDR Pocket Binoculars. Exploring new places is more exciting with POLDR Pocket Binoculars. These lightweight, compact binoculars provide clear magnification without bulk, fitting easily in pockets or backpacks. Perfect for city sightseeing, hiking, or birdwatching, they let you catch distant details with ease. Durable and easy to adjust, they offer sharp focus and can handle outdoor adventures. Whether enjoying scenic views or spotting wildlife, these binoculars enhance your travel experience by bringing distant moments closer and more memorable. Number 5. LifeStraw Water Filter. Finding clean water while traveling can be a challenge, but the LifeStraw water filter makes it easy. This portable filter allows you to drink safely from lakes, rivers, or taps without worrying about bacteria or parasites. Lightweight and compact, it fits in any backpack. Ideal for hiking or camping. No batteries or complicated setup is required. Reliable and simple, the LifeStraw keeps you hydrated, healthy, and prepared, ensuring that outdoor adventures or remote travel remain safe and enjoyable. Number 6. HUOTO Apple Charger. Running out of battery while traveling is frustrating, and the HUOTO Apple Charger keeps devices powered. Designed for iPhones, iPads, and AirPods, it delivers fast, safe charging. Compact and travel-friendly, it fits easily in carry-ons, purses, or backpacks. With built-in protections against overcharging and overheating, it keeps electronics safe and efficient. Whether navigating airports, following maps, or streaming entertainment, this charger ensures your devices stay powered, making it an essential travel companion for all adventures. Number 7. Airplane Pockets Organizer. Flying can be hectic, but the Airplane Pockets Organizer keeps essentials within reach. Attach it to tray tables, seat backs, or armrests to store phones, tablets, snacks, and travel documents safely. Everything stays organized and accessible, preventing items from falling or getting lost. Lightweight, durable, and easy to clean, it installs quickly and is perfect for flights, trains, or buses. This organizer turns tight travel spaces into neat, functional zones, making your journey smoother and far more comfortable. Number 8. Vigorport Luggage Straps. Traveling with luggage can be stressful, but Vigorport luggage straps add security and peace of mind. Adjustable and durable, these straps keep suitcases closed even if zippers fail, protecting belongings during transport. Bright, colorful designs make luggage easy to identify at baggage claim. Simple to use, reliable, and compact, they enhance convenience for airline, train, or road travel. A must-have accessory, these straps ensure your luggage stays safe, secure, and easy to spot while adding a touch of style. Number 9. HELEMAN Portable Lock. Security matters while traveling, and the HELEMAN portable lock delivers. This TSA-approved lock secures zippers, lockers, or luggage compartments, giving peace of mind. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to carry without adding bulk. Its combination code is simple to set and reset, combining convenience with safety. Perfect for airports, hostels, or gyms, this small gadget protects your belongings from theft. Reliable and portable, the HELEMAN lock ensures your travel experience stays safe and worry-free. Worried about luggage safety during travel? You won't believe how this compact HELEMAN portable lock keeps your belongings secure without adding bulk. Stay tuned to see why it's a must-have for airports, hostels, or gyms. It could completely change how you protect your stuff on the go. Number 10. Newbealer Travel. Iron wrinkled clothes can be a hassle, but the Newbealer Travel Iron keeps you looking sharp, compact, and lightweight. It heats up quickly and smooths garments efficiently, perfect for business trips or vacations. Its foldable design fits neatly into suitcases or carry-ons. Dual voltage compatibility allows use in multiple countries, eliminating the need for adapters. Safe for different fabrics, this travel iron ensures you step out polished and presentable, making every trip stress-free and wrinkle-free, no matter where you go. Number 11. YOUSHARES Insulin Cooler. Keeping insulin at the right temperature while traveling is essential, and the YOUSHARES Insulin Cooler makes it easy. Compact and lightweight, it stores insulin securely with consistent cooling, perfect for flights, road trips, or daily excursions. Rechargeable and reliable, this cooler ensures medications stay safe and effective. Easy to carry in backpacks or carry-ons, it gives peace of mind for travelers who need temperature-controlled storage, combining convenience, portability, and health protection wherever the journey takes you. Number 12. UPGOGO Vacuum Bags. Packing efficiently is a breeze with UPGOGO vacuum bags. These durable, reusable bags compress clothes, bedding, or bulky items to save space in suitcases or backpacks. Easy to use with any standard vacuum, they reduce packing stress and help organize your luggage. Perfect for vacations, business trips, or long-term travel, these bags keep belongings neat, wrinkle-free, and compact. Travelers who value space, convenience, and organization will find UPGOGO vacuum bags an essential packing companion. Number 13. FLYGA Drink Holder. Keeping drinks stable on the go is effortless with the FLYGA Drink Holder. This portable, attachable holder fits trays, tables, or stroller handles, preventing spills and freeing your hands. Lightweight, durable, and easy to install, it accommodates various cup and bottle sizes. Ideal for flights, road trips, or park outings, it keeps beverages secure while traveling. With the FLYGA Drink Holder, you can enjoy coffee, water, or soda without worrying about messes or inconvenient spills during any adventure. Number 14. BEDELITE Travel Blanket. Long flights, train rides, or chilly hotel rooms are no problem with the BEDELITE Travel Blanket. Soft, lightweight, and compact, it provides warmth and comfort without taking up much space in your bag. Made with cozy, durable materials, it's perfect for travel, camping, or outdoor events. Foldable and easy to store, this blanket keeps you comfortable on long journeys. BEDELITE Travel Blanket is a must-have accessory for travelers who want warmth, convenience, and relaxation on every adventure. Number 15. Sunany Inflatable Pillow. Sleeping comfortably on planes, trains, or buses is easier with the Sunany Inflatable Pillow. This lightweight, compact pillow inflates quickly to support your neck and head, reducing stiffness during travel. Easy to deflate and store, it fits neatly into backpacks or carry-ons. Made from soft, durable materials, it ensures comfort on long journeys. Perfect for flights, road trips, or naps anywhere, the Sunany Inflatable Pillow helps travelers rest better, arrive refreshed, and enjoy a more comfortable travel experience. Number 16. Kintion Makeup Mirror. Touch-ups on the go are simple with the Kintion Makeup Mirror. Compact and portable, it features bright LED lighting and adjustable angles for flawless application anytime, anywhere. Lightweight and easy to carry in a purse or backpack, it's ideal for travelers who want convenience and style. Durable and user-friendly, this mirror makes makeup, skincare, or grooming effortless while traveling. The Kintion Makeup Mirror ensures you look polished and refreshed, whether at airports, hotels, or outdoor adventures. Need a quick touch-up while traveling? This Kintion Makeup Mirror might be your new lifesaver. Don't skip ahead. You'll want to see how its bright LED lights and adjustable angles make makeup, skincare, or grooming effortless, no matter where your journey takes you. Number 17. Crock-Pot Lunchbox. Hot meals on the move are easy with the Crock-Pot Lunchbox. This portable food container heats and keeps meals warm without a microwave, making it perfect for travel, work trips, or camping. Compact and user-friendly, it fits easily in bags or backpacks and is simple to operate. Durable and efficient, the Crock-Pot Lunchbox ensures you enjoy fresh, warm food anywhere. For travelers who want convenience, nutrition, and flexibility on the go, this lunchbox is a must-have gadget. Number 18. GIGA PUMP Air Pump. Inflating gear, sports equipment, or travel accessories is simple with the GIGA PUMP Air Pump. Compact, portable, and rechargeable, it works quickly and efficiently on balls, inflatables, or camping mattresses. Lightweight and easy to carry in a backpack or travel bag, it's perfect for outdoor adventures. Durable and reliable, this pump saves time and effort while keeping equipment ready for use. For travelers who want convenience and versatility, the GIGA PUMP Air Pump is an essential portable tool for every trip. Number 19. Uniwolk Travel Lamp Lighting Anywhere is effortless with the Uniwolk Travel Lamp. This compact, foldable LED lamp provides bright, adjustable illumination for hotel rooms, camping, or late-night reading. Lightweight and portable, it fits easily into a backpack or carry-on, making it perfect for travelers. With long battery life and energy-efficient LED lights, it ensures you always have light when needed. The Uniwolk Travel Lamp combines convenience, practicality, and portability, helping travelers stay prepared and comfortable in any setting. Number 20. Haimont Duffel Backpack. Carrying essentials is easy with the Haimont Duffel Backpack. This versatile bag combines the convenience of a duffel with the comfort of backpack straps, perfect for flights, road trips, or weekend getaways. Spacious compartments keep clothes, gadgets, and travel essentials organized, while durable materials ensure long-lasting use. Lightweight and stylish, it fits neatly in overhead bins or under seats. For travelers seeking flexibility, functionality, and comfort, the Haimont Duffel Backpack is a reliable companion for any adventure. Thanks for watching. These 20 cool travel gadgets on Amazon are designed to make every trip easier, more organized, and more enjoyable. From must-have accessories to clever tools, these gadgets will upgrade your adventures, helping you travel smarter, stay comfortable, and make every journey unforgettable.